Hello, it's Sara Tell Story again. Today's story is It's Time for a Haircut by Cathryn Summers, illustrated by Aurora Aguilera. Today it's a special day. I'm going to get my first haircut. My dad and I drive to the barber shop. The barber cuts my dad's hair first. There are a lot of men in the barber shop. They talk to each other. Now, it's my turn. I'm very excited for my haircut. First, the barber uses scissors to cut off lots of hair. Whoa, I like to see my hair drop on the floor. My hair is going to be short. Next, the barber uses a clippers. These cut my hair very short. All finished. The barber brushes the hair off my neck. Whoa, my haircut looks great. I say thank you to the barber. My dad pays the barber. We like getting our hair cut. My mom loves my haircut. I can't wait for the next one. The end. This is the end of the story. Thank you for listening and watching. Please subscribe and follow us. And upcoming, there will be parent storytelling workshops so that we can share some beautiful ideas how to get your children listen to your bedtime story. Some ideas and books and pronunciation, how you can attract children to sit next to you, focus on what you're reading. If you want to join, please inbox us on our Instagram. Hope to meet you guys soon. Please subscribe and follow our YouTube channels. Thank you. See you next time.